Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shiko Makena. So today I'm doing a moving vlog. Okay, not literally, I'm not moving right now, but moving vlog plus pack with me. I don't know how, for me I don't like moving out and all that that it entails because of packing this, packing that, as in inanichokeshanga. Like any moment niko mahali tu hivi nakumbuka hiyo story nasikia clear. So I've just come out from work. So the first thing that I want to do is eat this. You guys, this is what I have for dinner. And funny enough, I've already put my plates in the box and all that. Okay, I did the packing yesterday. Spent almost the entire night because I slept at 2. And so today I want to wind up, and then so tomorrow I can move. So let us talk when I'm eating this. I love fish. I love anything to do with fish. So mtu asiniuliza timbona sina sahani. Sahani nisharusha kwa nini box, so I don't want to hear such at least. Una sahani na nini. So I don't know how you feel when I hear the aroma of this. Oh my god, it keeps calling me. I don't know how you people eat your fish. If you start from the head or do you start from the tail? I don't know. Mostly I start from the tail coming to the head. I don't know, but I think it's supposed to be vice versa. Lakini bora inge wapi? Kwa tumbo. So this is what I'm having for dinner. And then I take water, and that's it. What I hate about bonefish, it has a lot of bones that you cannot even detect easily. I better eat a steak and the fillet. But all in all, it's good and tasty. So I want to finish up packing and then tie up the box with the masking tape, and then I go shower and then wash my clothes. Okay, right now as I'm moving out, I don't know if most of you do that. I wash my clothes each and every time I'm out of work, so that when I go to the new house I don't have to have dirty clothes. I don't know if you do that. If you do, tell me what you do in the comment section. So that's what I do basically. So that's what I'll do, and I'm done. Washed my fingers, washed my teeth, but unajua tu smell iwezi isha. So I've done justice to the fish, so I'll just show you now what we have to do together. There is the fish. But it was so yummy, you know.
A few moments later.
now. So those are my clothes and my duvet. The yoga bags are those ones, and they really disappoint me all the time that I want to move out. Like mtu akihama, you know, when you enter a house, you always feel you don't have things, and then the moment that you want to move out, that's when you realize, oh my god, so I had things. Like I really had things. That's not something that I thought of, but I'm done packing. Everything is done. I've just remained the mattress and then to dismantle the bed. And okay, there's nothing much in the bathroom because I've already removed everything.
I will miss this house. Like I was really attached to it, but every day we need a change, so let me accept the change. But I'll miss you. So that's it for today. So let me see you tomorrow as we are wrapping up this story and then we move out. Okay.
8 hours later.
A quick one before I leave. Let me give you a review of how it was looking like. So this is the door, and that's how the tiling was. They really matched the tilings with the doors plus the walls. That's where my small decor is. And then just direct to the door on your right, that's when you find a door to the bathroom / toilet. Even this one, they had matched the walls with the tilings also, meaning the tiles of the walls plus the tiles down there. It had a hot shower. I'm sorry because there's no good lighting. And then it was a spacious bedsitter. You can see that, and the lighting also was good because it was like the 4th floor, so it was really good. And you can see how the tilings matching the walls, the yellow cream walls. Still on the right, that's where you find a small kitchen. They did not put a wardrobe down there next to the sink, but they put one up there, which was still serving well, and it was spacious also. So if you noticed, I did not manage to do my outro. Like I did not manage to end the video, but I'm here right now, so I'm really grateful for all the people who have watched till the end. For the Premier Gang, I'm very happy and I'm so grateful for all of you. And if you are new here, you're also welcome. For all the returning subscribers, I'm also thankful for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do, and remember to share, like this video, and also comment and tell me what you think about it. So until next time, bye.